Good morning to one and all. I am welcoming you guys to NEET World. So, in this session, we are going to particularly concentrate on the EAP set of physics, right? So, we will focus on both medical stream as well as the engineering stream, right? So, let us wait 1 or 2 minutes for the students who are joining, okay? So, we'll wait. Before that, we will discuss whatever we have come across in the last few days, right? So, we have completed our topics like units and dimensions, measurements and errors. Then we have started our kinematics topics, right? That is motion in a straight line, or we will say it's a rectilinear motion. Then we have started the topic motion in a plane yesterday, and we have discussed about some problems in straight lines also, right? Okay, so in this topic we will see the formulas, we will see the questions also, and in the next class now, like combinedly we will see what are the things there in the questions, okay? Like in this topic, what are the questions are there, okay? So in this today's session, what is the agenda is, like we will complete the equations whatever is there, like components in vertical path, components in horizontal path, equation of trajectory we will complete, and then relative motion also we will complete. Like for example, if we talk about the river and the man, okay, like suppose a man is crossing the river, what is the time taken, what is the distance you need to cross, or which is the shortest distance and which is the shortest time, right? Same thing, and similar to that, umbrella and a man, or a rain and a man will say, okay? So we'll talk about that also, and today is this is the agenda for this, okay? And tomorrow's class now we will do questions on this, particularly only questions on this topics, okay? And then we will move on to the laws of motion topic, then work energy power, right? Yeah, last 1 minute we'll wait it. Okay, so yeah, we'll start. Motion in a plane, right? So we have discussed about the components also, right? Components, how we need to take the components, everything we have discussed, right? So once again I will say, so plane is nothing but it's a two-dimensional. Suppose so if an object is thrown with some velocity u and making an angle theta with respect to horizontal, the ux will be taken as u cos theta and uy will be taken as u sin theta. Suppose the angle is with respect to y axis, let me take. So, this is my y axis, this is my x axis, right. So, the same velocity u only, but the angle made with respect to vertical. This is horizontal, this is vertical. Now, what will be the thing now? Like ux will be equals to u sin theta. U sin theta, uy will be equals to u cos theta. Okay, right. So, this is the my first thing to be noted in the plane. Next one is horizontal components and the vertical components we have seen, right. Horizontal. So, for the first case we will take, the thing is this is x axis and this is y axis, object has been thrown with some velocity u, angle made is theta. So, ux will be equals to u cos theta, uy will be equals to u sin theta. Then what about acceleration? Velocity we have got, what about acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but ax will be equals to 0, ay will be equals to minus g, okay, because acceleration will be acting towards down, right. I am throwing the object towards upside right now. So, when I talk about this is my maximum height h max and this is my range, right now this is my range. So, when object reaches the maximum height, velocity at y will be equals to 0. Yes, na? Velocity y will be equals to 0. The final velocity at the topmost point will be equals to 0. So, these are the things we know by using the diagram. Okay. So, Vx will be Vy. Okay. This one I will take horizontal only. No. So, Vx will be equals to Ux plus Axt. Vx square minus ux square. No, so okay, let me complete the first one. Okay, first equation. So Vx I don't know, Vx I will keep as it is. Ux will be u cos theta plus 0 into t. So this one I can neglect it out. So Vx will be equals to u cos theta. Right, the final velocity of x direction will be equals to u cos theta only, the same velocity only. Whereas, and the thing is, when we note this point, I can say that like velocity keeps on changing and throughout the points, okay. Second one, Vx square minus ux square will be equals to 2 ax into r, the range, the displacement, okay. Since ax is 0, I can neglect it out. So Vx square will be equals to u cos theta the whole square. So 2 will get cancelled. So Vx will be equals to u cos theta. So the same thing only we got from the second equation also. What about the third equation? So third equation gives S is equals to, that is range is equals to what is the thing, uxt plus 1 by 2 axt square. So since ax is 0, multiply by something will also become 0. So ux is nothing but u cos theta into t. This is the range, right now. Let me take this t as capital T, because this capital T is time of flight, we will say time of flight. Right, time of flight. What is time of flight? Time of flight is nothing but when I am throwing the object from this point to this point, how much time it has been taken to reach from this point to this point, like point O to point A, let me take, okay. So this is the range now. So object has taken this much time to reach the range, we will say, okay, that is time of flight, we will say. But what about the time to reach the maximum height is, it is divided by 2, okay, time of flight divided by 2, right now. So these are the things we got from the horizontal components. So, you can take a note of this. We will move on to the next one, that is a vertical component. Done. So, this was the last thing. Complete it first, we will go for the next one. Okay. Done. So, let me go for the next one, vertical component. Okay. So, vertical component na. So, what are the things are there? So, u y will be there, u y will be equals to u sin theta, then a y will be equals to minus g, right. Then what about the things is Vy is there, Vy will be equals to 0, right, no. So, these are the things I know. Now, from the equation 1, no, first equation Vy will be equals to Uy plus At, V is equals to U plus At, no, V is equals to U plus At, that is Ayt, okay. So, Vy is 0, I will keep 0 as it is, Uy, U sin theta minus gt, minus gt. So, I will take minus u sin theta this side, like u sin theta this side means minus will come, will be equals to minus gt, minus and minus will get cancelled off. So, t will be equals to u sin theta by g. So, this is the time taken, this is the time taken to reach maximum height, to reach the maximum height, fine. So, I will keep this one for the first, okay, first thing. Next one is there, no, what is the next one? It is v square minus u square will be equals to 2as na. So, second equation Vy square minus Uy square will be equals to 2ay into h max, the maximum height, right. So, Vy is 0 minus Uy, u sin theta the whole square will be equals to 2 into minus g into h maximum. So, minus u square sin square theta will be equals to minus 2g into h maximum. So, minus and minus will get cancelled off, h maximum is nothing but, h max is nothing but u square sin square theta by 2g, u square sin square theta by 2g. So, we got time to reach maximum height. What is the maximum height formula also we got, and what is the range formula also we got, but range formula we got in terms of u cos theta and t. The t is nothing but time of flight. So, let me consider time of flight is nothing but 2u sin theta by g. Okay, because object has been taken u sin theta by g as the time to reach maximum height, the same time only will take by the object to reach the ground level, right. So, this is the time of flight. Now, the range formula I will come. The range is nothing but u cos theta into time, that is time of flight, will be equals to u cos theta into 2u sin theta by g. So, let me rewrite this one, 2u square, or let me u squares 2 sin theta cos theta by g. So, since we know that 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. So, u square sin 2 theta by g is the range. This is the range formula. Okay, if angle is mentioned and the initial velocity is there, so I can use this formula directly to get the value of the range, and this formula is to get the value of maximum height, and this formula is to get the time of flight. Okay, right now, yeah, you can take a note of this. So, we will go for the next thing. This is vertical. Okay, horizontal has been completed, this is vertical part. Okay, now done. This is the next one, take a note of this. The last part, yes. Done, fine. Now, oh sorry. Now, the third equation is there, no, from this, that is, okay, S is equals to ut plus of at square, right. S is equals to ut plus of at square. Now, what we will do from this now? We know that equation of trajectory is nothing but in terms of x and y. I need to write x and y. I need to eliminate the value of t over here, that is the major thing, right, that is the major thing I need to do, right now. So, what we can do here, any idea about this? Yes, simple. Okay, we know the range r is equals to what is the thing, u cos theta into t, u cos theta into t. Range I can rewrite it as x also, x axis, this S H max, no, like let me write Sy will be equals to Uy t plus 1 by 2 Ay t square, right. Now this Sy I can rewrite it as y will be equals to u sin theta into t. So let me write t only plus 1 by 2 into minus gt square. So from this equation t will be equals to x by u cos theta. So let me substitute the value of t in this place. So u sin theta into x by u cos theta plus 1 by 2 into minus g t square is x by u cos theta the whole square. Now u and u will get cancelled off, sin by cos will be tan, x tan theta minus 1 by 2, this is g x square by u square cos square theta. What is this? This is my equation of trajectory, okay, equation of trajectory. So this is also an important thing in the motion in a plane while solving the problems, okay. We will do a problem based on this also, okay. So can we do a problems now? Yeah, you want to take it now? Okay. First, complete it first. We'll go for the problems now. Done? Okay. So let me dictate the question. We'll solve the question. So thing is, a body is thrown with initial velocity of 10 meter per second. Okay. A body is thrown with the initial velocity of 10 meter per second. So a body has been thrown. Meter per second, y axis, x axis, at an angle 37 degree from horizontal, at an angle 37 degree from horizontal. So this is my angle 37 degree from horizontal. So they are asking us to find time of flight. The first question is time of flight, second one is range, third one is maximum height. So three things they are asking us to find here, okay. So before that the angles are there right now. So I need to see whether the angle is made with respect to x axis or y axis. So we have derived the formula for the angle which is respect to horizontal na. So if it is with respect to vertical, what I should do? I should reverse it, that's it. There is no thing you can verify that, like you can verify using the things. No, it is what this is sin theta and this is cos theta, okay. This sin theta and this is cos theta will come, that's it. Okay. So now we will find it. So whenever we are having an angle 37 degree or 53 degree, no, so we need to use 3, 4, 5 triangle. 3, 4, 5 triangle. Okay. So let me take an right angle triangle, okay, which is having 90 degree over here. So one will be 53, one will be 37, right? One will be 53 and one will be 37. So when you see this now, this one is 5, 3, which is greater number 5. So let me write 5 here, let me write 3 here. So remaining number is 4. So easily we can find no sine 37 degree, which is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse 3 by 5, cos 37 degree 4 by 5 adjacent by hypotenuse, right? Now sine 53 degree, which is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse 4 by 5 cos 53 degree 3 by 5. Okay, these are the things you should remember, like sine 37 and sine 53, right? Now we will write the formulas now. Range is equals to u square sine 2 theta by g, or else we can write it as u square 2 sine theta cos theta by g, where u initial velocity is given as 10 meter per second. No, so 10 square 2 into sine 37, they are asking 37 degree. What is sine 37? Sine 37 is 3 by 5, cos 37 is 4 by 5, right? So 3 by 5 into 4 by 5 divide by, and this is 10 approximately we will take. If they mention 9.8 meter per second square, we should take 9.8 meter per second square. So whenever we are doing a calculation for this kind of questions, take g approximately as 10. Okay. So here 5, okay, 5 is there, we will keep as it is. So 10 into 10 into 2 into 3 into 4 divide by 5 into 5 into 10, 110 will get cancelled off, and this 1 times and this is 2 times, right? So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 24, 48, 48 by 5, which is nothing but 9.6 meter. 9.6 meter is the range, right? Correct only, no? So 10, 10, 10, and this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and this one more 10 is there. So 110 got cancelled off, 1 5, and this 2 times, right? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48, 48 by 5. Yes. Done. Next one is maximum height. U square sine square theta by 2g. U square sine square theta by 2g. So u square again 10 square sine 37 is, what is sine 37? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 the whole square divide by 2 into 10. So 10 into 10 into 3 into 3 divide by 5 into 5 into 2 into 10. 110 will get cancelled off. 2 times 1 5, and this will get cancelled off now. So 3 3s are 9, 9 by 5, no, 9 by 5. So how much maximum height? 1.8 meter. That's it. 1.8 meter is the maximum height. Done. So, time of flight which is nothing but 2u sin theta by g. So, 2 into 10 into 3 by 5 into, so 3 by 5 divided by 10, right. 10 and 10 will get cancelled off, 6 by 5 which is nothing but 1.2 seconds, 1.2 seconds, that is it. So, we got everything, range we got, and then that is maximum height we got, and the time also we got. So, next we will see one more type question, how they might ask, they can ask the question, okay. Like they have not given the angle, they have not given the velocity, they have given the component's velocity, okay. Now, they are asking what is the range, what is the time, what is the maximum height, the same thing, but in the different manner. So, how we need to approach that type of question we will see, okay. So, yeah, once you can take a note of this, we will go for the next one. Okay, can we go for the next question? The next question is given like this. They have given the velocities of the component, that is in x axis they have given 10 and y axis they have given 20, okay. X axis they have given 10, y axis 20. So, this is 10, this is 20, right. Now, what they are asking is the same thing, range, time of flight, maximum height, these three things they are asking, okay. So, how we need to approach these questions? We know that ux is nothing but u cos theta. So, u cos theta is 10, uy is nothing but u sin theta is nothing but 20. So, in terms of u cos theta they have given 10, in terms of u sin theta they have given 20. Now, let me write that equation first. Range equals to u square sin 2 theta by g. Hurry yaar, what is the thing? They have not given the angle, how we can approach this question? Yes, you might have this doubt, but we can realterate the equation. We can realterate the equation, that is u sin, so u square I will keep as it is, but when I expand this, no, 2 sin theta will come and cos theta will come, divide by g. Now, let me take this u for 1 sin theta, u for 1 cos theta. So, what happens? So, 2 into u sin theta into u cos theta divided by g. Is that the same? Whatever the equation we got, is that this expansion also same? Yes, no. There is nothing we have added or we have subtracted, we have multiplied or we have divided. Like just we have expanded the things, that is it, the given thing, okay. So, now what is the thing? 2 into u sin theta we know that is 20, u cos theta is 10, divide by 10. So 10 and 10 will get cancelled off, answer will be 40 meter. So is that easy now to approach this type of question? Yes? Yeah. So the second one is H max. So I will write the equation for this. Okay, I will write the formula. Can you give answer for this question now? So u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay. Now I will write third one also. The third one is time of flight also. Capital T is nothing but 2u sin theta by g. This is I can do directly. No, nothing issues. No issues na. So second one. Yeah, you can take a 35 seconds time. 30 seconds. Yeah, first. Okay, completed. Okay, let me see that. So for this H max, H will be equals to, I can write u sin theta the whole square divided by 2g. What is u sin theta? 20 the whole square by 2 into 10. So 20 into 20 divided by 2 into 10. So 1 0 1 0 2 1 2 will get cancelled off. So 20 meter is the maximum height. Next, time of flight, t will be equals to 2 into 20 divided by 10. 1 0 1 0 cancelled off. This is 4 seconds, right? Yes, we got the answer. As simple as. Okay, we will go for the next type of question. Before that, no, we will take a note point over here. Note point for theta equals to 45 degree. Range will be maximum. Height also will be maximum. Okay. When we take an angle 45 degree, the range will be maximum, height also will be maximum. Okay. If they ask a question, at which angle the range will be maximum and height also will be maximum. Like maximum height only we have got that as a formula, but the height which is reached the topmost point by making some angles, like different types of angles. So at which angle I will reach that height, that's the thing. Okay, 45 degree. Okay, so let's go for the next question. Done? Okay. Now the question is, yes, I will read the question. The maximum height attained by the ball projected with a speed 20 meter per second at an angle 45 degree with horizontal is. So they are asking the maximum height. H max, the formula is u square sin square theta by 2g, and they have given us u is nothing but 20, u is equal to 20 meter per second, and angle is 45 degree, theta is equals to 45, right. So what they have given, the maximum height attained by the ball projected with speed of 20 meter per second at an angle 45 degree with horizontal is. So we should take g as 10, they have given, they have mentioned it, okay. So u 20 square sin 45 is 1 by root 2 the whole square divided by 2 into 10. So 20 into 20 divided by 1 by root 2 the whole square will become 2, no. So 2 into this 2 is there and 10 is there. So 1 0 1 0 and 2 1 2 will get cancelled, and 1 2 1 2 1 2 will get cancelled. So answer will be 10 meter. 10 is the answer. 10 meter is the maximum height attained. Okay. The next question is the time of flight. The next question, the time of flight of an object projected with a speed 20 meter per second. Projected with a speed is 20 meter per second at an angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal. So theta is equals to 30 degree. They are asking time of flight. So t is equals to 2u sin theta by g, right. So 2 into like velocity is 20, angle is 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2, na, 1 by 2 divided by 10, 0 0 and this 2 will get cancelled off. 2 seconds is the answer, 2 seconds. Done. Okay, here is the question. Okay, they have given formula directly, but twist is there. Okay, let me read that question. If a projectile is fired at an angle theta with vertical with velocity u, note the point, they have projected or they are fired something with velocity u with angle theta with respect to vertical, then the maximum height attained by the given object. What is the maximum height attained by the given object? What is the question we know, like what is the formula we know for maximum height? H max is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g, right. So in this case what we have learned, so angle is nothing but with respect to horizontal, but here angle is nothing but with respect to vertical. Here this is u sin theta, that's why we got this u sin theta the whole square. Then what about this? Simple, H max will be equals to u square cos square theta by 2g. This is the answer. I told you na, like only the angles will be like trigonometric angles will be changed, sin cos, cos sin, that's it. Okay, tan and cot will be coming, tan will be cot. Right, we will go for the next question. So the next question is, yeah, here is the question. This type of question can be asked. Okay, the equation of motion of projectile, the trajectory. Okay, equation of motion of projectile. Equation of motion of projectile is given as y is equals to. y is equals to 12x minus 3 by 4x square. 3 by 4x square. The horizontal component of the velocity, like u sin theta, u cos theta, no, so horizontal component u cos theta, which is nothing but ux is equals to how much is 3 meter per second. 3 meter per second. Given that g is equals to 10 meter per second square, what is the range of the projectile? What is the range of the projectile? So they are asking me to find range, and they have given g as, take it as 10 meter per second square. What is the equation of trajectory, equation of projectile we got? Let me write that equation. Y is equals to x tan theta minus 1 by 2 g x square by u square cos square theta. X square by u square cos square theta. Okay, fine. How we need to take this one now? Yes, I can compare the equation. So tan theta is nothing but like x tan theta is nothing but 12x. X will get cancelled, tan theta will be equals to 12. Now this one 1 by 2 gx square by u square cos square theta will be equals to 3 by 4 x square, right? No. Now let me write the range formula, guys. Range equals to 2u square sin theta cos theta by g. Hurry, what? How I can do this one? Yes? Yeah. I will multiply by cos, divide by cos now. What I will get? I will multiply by cos and divide by cos. 2u square sin theta into cos square theta by cos theta into g. Right? Let me rewrite this one. 2u square cos square theta by g, and this sin theta by cos theta as tan theta. Hurry, if you notice this one, no, x square will get cancelled. G by 2u square cos square theta will be equals to 3 by 4. If I reverse this one, what happens? 2u square cos square theta by g will become 4 by 3. Is that both are same? And tan theta also I got. Then what is the use of this u cos theta? What is the use of that? I can use the direct u cos theta as there, or else I can use from the equation also. Nothing to worry. Okay. So what is this? Yeah, 4 by 3, and tan theta is 12, and this 3 times and this is 4 times, 4 4s are 16. 16 meter is the answer, guys. That's it. 16 meter is the answer. Right now 16 meter is the answer for this question. So whenever you are getting a question like this, equation of projectile or equation of trajectory, compare the equation whatever formula we have, then take the unknowns like a tan theta or g x square by u square cos square theta, that one. Okay, right now then we will substitute those things in this formulas, right, in the formulas. Okay guys, so today's topic has been done, I guess. Like we'll start with the relative motion and the PYQs of this chapter in the next session. Okay, now so we'll meet in the next class, guys. Bye. We'll meet in the next class.